Okay, so how to create a recipe in your tracking app. So the first thing that I do is I weigh everything out as I'm preparing it, and I write down the raw weight of each ingredient. So as you can see on my example, I've got some boneless, skinless chicken breast. I've got some raw bell peppers, raw white onion. So I write everything down with the raw weight before I cook it, and I add that up. So then I weigh it after I cook it, and I write down that weight. So in my example, I had 1,218 grams before I cooked it, 950 grams after I cooked it. So that means 268 grams of water cooked out of the ingredients. So then I go into the tracking app, and the first thing I want to do is actually go to settings. If you go to settings and you go down to display, if you go down to display and hit diary groups, you want to make sure that your keyboard type is set to full. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to go to food. So I'm going to go to foods and create recipe. I'm going to type in the recipe name, Cajun chicken and sausage. And then I'm just going to add in all of my ingredients, including the weight. And so then for the water, you actually type in water and you put in a minus sign. So I do minus 268 grams. And then you can see that's going to give us a total recipe weight of 950 grams, which is what we got. So then hit next. And then once you go to next, you want to pick weight-based. And you can just leave it at one serving is 950 grams, but just make sure you pick weight-based. Hit next. You can leave that the same. And then now you can see what one full recipe is 950 grams. You can see how many calories. You can see the protein, the carbs, and the fat for the full recipe. Now, once you are portioning it out to eat it, you are going to find it under your custom foods. So you hit plus. And then if you go to your custom foods, it'll be under your custom. So there's our Cajun chicken and sausage. And then you type in however many grams you're eating. So let's say you have 200 grams, and now it shows you exactly how many calories, the protein, carbs, and fat for that particular portion that you're eating. And that's all there is to it. Hope that helps.